Hey guys, my name is Melissa Gentry. I'm a fifth year here at UGA. I graduate in December and I'm 22 years old. My major is communications and I plan on going to grad school at California State University and getting my MA in interpersonal communication. My avatar today is at Lake Hartwell. I'm on the back of the boat and I'm throwing up peace signs. There's two main reasons that I chose this avatar, and the first one is because I love being outdoors. My favorite thing to do in my spare time is going outside and hiking, running, or being out on the lake. I usually run here in Athens at the Botanical Gardens. It's a really nice way to still appreciate nature and get your exercise in. I go to the lake in the summer times, Lake Hartwell, and it's a nice place just to be able to sit on the boat and relax. And I get to bring my dog out there, and so it's nice to spend time with her. This is my dog, Lucy. She's really small, so we put her in a basket on the lake so she doesn't fly out of the boat or anything because we go kind of fast sometimes. And it's just a nice way to be outside and still appreciate nature. My second point for having my avatar outside on the lake is because I take classes in the summer and I'm also working full time. I work anywhere from 35 to around 45 hours a week, and so I don't have a lot of free time. With that being said, when I do get to go to the lake, it's a nice way to be able to appreciate the small things. I might not be able to go on a really nice vacation this summer because I do have to save up for grad school. But the reason that I'm so happy at the lake is because I do have to work and I do have to go to school full time in the summer. And being able to have those days where I can just go out and look at the trees and smell the nature and not be cooped up in a room is it makes you appreciate the nice things, and it is really nice to be able to find happiness and joy in just one day at a time, and it's all about perspective. So I feel like my avatar really captured my perspective of happiness, and it can be in anything, and also my love of being outdoors.